Hello and welcome to my channel. If you'd like to learn how to write computer programs, you'll find lots of videos on this channel that will take you from beginner level through to intermediate and advanced levels in languages like Java and Python. I'll also cover data structures like linked lists, queues, and trees, along with algorithms for searching and sorting. I'll also introduce the idea of design patterns that will help you build more robust and flexible solutions. And I'll have a dedicated playlist that will cover the mathematics behind computer programs and the development of algorithms. I'll also be adding to a machine learning playlist where you can find out how to build machine learning algorithms like neural networks and genetic algorithms from scratch. I'm a computer scientist that has 20 plus years teaching experience at university level, and I'm passionate about all of these topics. So please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and send me some comments to keep the content rolling in. Thanks for dropping by.